May I know your good name?
I'm Dr. Prashant Chopra.
Dr. Ridhima Suri.
Wow. So, are you two related?
Professional?
Yes.
Yes.
So, you both work for the same organization, I suppose? Wow, great. May I know your organization name, sir?
It's Punyam. It's Punyam Dental Office.
Pune Dental Office.
Wow, and where is it situated? Is it in Delhi or is it out of Delhi? कहाँ है ये?
Gurgaon, Sector 46.
Superb. So, are you expecting how many awards? कितने awards आप expect कर रहे हो कि आप घर लेके ही जाओगे?
We are here to enjoy the moment rather than see as to how many awards we need to pick it up. It's about getting into a good company with good people.
Nominated here, I think, is already an awardee, so doesn't really need a,
Wow, I totally agree with it, and that was a very diplomatic answer, I must say. कि भाई बताना ही नहीं है कितने awards expect करें, मन में ही रखना है, नहीं आ गया तो बताएंगे, अगर नहीं तो नहीं बता रहे हो. No, that's great, and I really hope tonight you people network with very high-end people, and you get more business, you increase your clientele, and you have an amazing evening with amazing food and drinks on the house. Enjoy your evening. Thank you so much.
May I now invite on dais Dr. Prashant Chopra, founder and CEO, Punyam Dental Office, to explain present and future of dental implants in India. Let's have a huge round of applause for Dr. Prashant Chopra.
Hi, good evening. I'm Dr. Prashant here. I'm representing my beautiful office, Punyam Dental Office, based in Gurgaon, Sector 46. We all love to smile and have a nice, bright, beautiful looking face with excellent features on it. What we lack? We lack at times that smile, people putting their hands on the face because they think they're not appreciable in the society. We at Punyam Dental Office here work extensively to bring those smiles on the face. I've been practicing for the last 25 years, and my specialization is implants, where we place a titanium, I won't call it screw, it's a titanium tooth to replace even a single or a multiple or the entire full mouth. What we specialize here is not just giving the tooth, but to give that smile and the functional ability back to the patient and have him have a beautiful life to regain. We work with the extensively revolutionized machineries where we have something what we consider as, and we say, a one-day tea. People walk into our office without a missing tooth or some kind of an issue. They wait in a beautiful reception, a waiting hall, and by the time they finish with a coffee, we are ready with the tooth to be placed back and getting that smile back on their face. That's the kind of revolutionary dentistry we are working with. We have an experienced team of doctors to work alongside me, Dr. Ridhima, who is a specialist with aesthetics. We do digital dentistry for all our patients to make sure that what we get and what the patient wants to achieve, we all work hand in hand. We got a wonderful woman and a brainchild for this Punyam, Ms. Meenu, who is an academician, but a big time backbone for us to make sure all the things that are running in our office is taken good care of. That's all. I just need to keep it very crisp. We invite any one of you to please come over, enjoy an experience of revolutionary dentistry. In terms, when we say revolutionary, we mean every bit of it, right from the start to the end of it. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Chopra. Next award is for Most Promising Dental Implantologist in India. The award goes to Dr. Prashant Chopra. I request Dr. Prashant Chopra, Dr. Ridhima Suri, Mrs. Meenu Kanwar to kindly come up on stage to receive this award.